Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, so today I'm taking a look at the BeltBro. Can they replace the traditional belt or are they just a gimmick? Let's check it out. Alright, I just want to start out by saying that BeltBro did send these over to me to review, but as always, the opinions are my own. Getting free stuff never sways my opinion. Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a nice look at the BeltBro. This is what they sent me. All three of them come in this plastic bag. And you can see there's three different sizes. One's 6 inch, there's 8 inches, and that one's 12 inches. Alright, so let's open it up and take out this cardboard piece and show you what it says on the back here. So it says right here, the BeltBro attaches to your side belt loops to tighten your pants or shorts. Depending on distance between loops, choose a small, medium, or large BeltBro. And then it just goes over what's included. So let's take these out and have a closer look. So I'm sure many of you have seen these on social media and had the same question as I did. Do they actually work? And on top of that, do they actually have a place in the belt market? So for it to have a place, they actually have to be functional. So let's check out and see what these actually are. What are they made of? It looks like to me it's just a piece of elastic. So it looks like it's made out of a pretty durable piece of elastic with just some Velcro holding it together. So it's actually a pretty simple design. And you can see here the small 6 inch BeltBro has just a very small piece of Velcro on it. But when we go to, say, the 8, it gets a little larger. And then when we go to the 12, a little larger than that. So of course I'm gonna be testing these out a little bit later on in this video, but I'm gonna show you guys how these actually work. So what they want you to do is you have these two belt loops right here on the side of your pants right near the front. So you just have to choose which size is the best. So let me just see. I'm guessing with this amount of space, I'll use the 12 inch one. So undo it, and what they want you to do is take this side, loop it around the belt buckle there, secure it, and then loop it around this next belt loop, and then cinch it together, and it just clings to itself. So there you go. That's basically the idea, just to loop it around the one, secure it, and back over and cinch it tight. So therefore, your pants won't fall down. Now this one might actually be too big. Let me just, for the heck of it, try that middle one, which is the 8 inch. So put it back through, boom, back and around, and then yeah, the 8 inch one probably will work a little bit better in this situation. So you're probably asking yourself, why would I do this when I already have a belt? Well, they're saying if you're sitting down all day, maybe at a desk, maybe your job, you're at a computer, and you have a belt buckle, maybe your stomach is hitting that belt buckle all day and it's a little uncomfortable. Also, these are extremely lightweight as opposed to a leather belt with a big metal belt buckle on it. So they're saying these only weigh 10 grams, which I'm gonna weigh these shortly. So if they only weigh 10 grams, you're probably not gonna notice that you're even wearing these things. And then they say if you have baggy clothing, recent weight loss, maybe stomach sensitivity, sit for long periods, this BeltBro might be for you. So that's exactly what I wanted to test out. First off, is it comfortable to wear? Number 2, will I actually ever reach for one of these as opposed to my traditional belt? And number 3, could I actually wear these at work? Granted, some of you work at a job that you sit at a desk all day and you're at a computer, but for someone like me, I need a belt and I wear tools on my belt. So obviously, this isn't gonna be for my type of work. But what about if I'm just lounging at home? Yeah, maybe. So let me undo this right here, and I'm gonna weigh all 3 of these. All right, so let's start out with the little 6 inch guy here. So let's see if this registers. Nothing. So the little guy's not even registering on my scale. So let me try the 8 inch. Okay. All right, that's coming up 6 grams. And then let's try the 12 inch. And looks like that's 8 grams. So that's interesting. The 12 inch is coming in at 8 grams. This one's coming in at 6. Let me try all 3 together. 16 grams all together. So if these two together were 14, this little guy weighs 2 grams. All right, so I kind of showed you how these worked on my demo pants over here, but how about wearing them around the house and everyday life? Well, I'm gonna take my belt off and test one of these out to see how comfortable they really are. All right, as you guys can see, I've been rocking the slide belt lately. I love these ratcheting style belts. So let me take this off. And this is basically what they're talking about. And this is a pretty heavy belt. This is full grain leather, and it has this metal belt buckle here. So yeah, sometimes when I'm leaning over, yeah, it does hit my newly formed gut. Thanks, quarantine. So I'm guessing with the length of my belt loops from here to here, I'm gonna need that 12 inch guy. So I'm gonna give you guys a look at what I'm doing here. So looping that around and securing it, okay. and around this one, and then pulling and securing it. Okay, let me see. I'm just gonna walk around. Huh. It needs to be tighter. Let me cinch that a little bit tighter. So let me redo this strap here. Okay, so it's not bad, but it seems like my pants want to fall down. So they said that you can actually take 2 of these BeltBros, put them together, put one on this side, and then have a nice little fit. So it just so happens they did send me another pack here, so I'm gonna take out the other 12-inch BeltBro and put it on this side. All right, so I was wrong. So I got the other 8-inch one here. So the 8-inch seems like it's gonna fit a lot better. So as you guys can see, I have the 8-inch one right here, and if I stretch it just like that, right there, pull it, yeah, it's actually a lot better. So, I mean, it's actually not that bad. So, I don't know. I mean, I got the 12-inch one here. I got the 8-inch one here. I have a feeling if I have the other 8-inch one here, it might be better. I'm gonna do that right now. So yeah, guys, so I have the 8-inch BeltBro here, the 8-inch BeltBro here, and that is the right fit. I just miscalculated. I thought I needed the 12-inch with the size of those belt loops, but this is pretty decent. I'll go sit down on my chair, see how it feels. All right, guys, I can't believe I'm actually saying this, but this is actually pretty comfortable. I'm not kidding. So I'm sitting here at my desk. You know, I'm usually kind of leaning over, talking about the products here, and that belt buckle kind of digs into me a little bit. And it's surprising because seeing these things on social media, the little advertisements, I was like, there's no way that's a good idea. But actually testing them out and sitting down, walking around, they're comfortable. I'm actually pretty surprised here, guys. So they're right. I mean, these things are only 8 grams and 6 grams. So wearing these right now, I can barely feel that I have them on. And if I get up and, let's see, if I bend down, yeah, this is where the belt buckle would really get me, is when I bend down or squat down to pick something up. Right now, there's nothing there. But as comfortable as they are, there's still nothing that I could wear to work. Yes, some of you guys can go to work, dress casual, and actually get away with something like this. But I would say not only laborers couldn't wear this to work, but I would say even professionals, they have to have their shirts tucked in. You know, I can't really see you wearing dress pants, a nice dress shirt, a tie, and then have a couple BeltBros on the side of your pants. But as they show on their video online, you know, you go to a restaurant, just everyday lounging, whatever, this actually isn't a bad option. Will they ever replace a traditional belt? No. But do they have their place in the belt market? I would say yes. Surprisingly. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the BeltBro? I'm just as surprised as you guys are. I wasn't expecting this to be as comfortable as they really are. And granted, I haven't really worn these out for a day, you know, out to a store, just a day in the life of me. But I don't really think I need to. Just putting these on for this review and walking around doing this, I mean, they feel great. My only thing is I do things based on muscle memory, so I might always just grab from my belt anyways. But if I put these on my dresser and don't have any work to do that day, I might grab these instead. Now, if you guys want to pick these up for yourself, you can grab 2 packs right now for 25 bucks right on their website. So 2 packs is going to get you 2 of the small, 2 of the medium, and 2 of the large. Or you can buy 4 packs for 40 bucks. Now, I will have links in my description box for up-to-date pricing and to take you right to the website. Now, full disclosure, like I said at the beginning of this video, they did send these over to me to review, and the links that I'm putting below are affiliate links. So if you buy anything through those links, I get a small kickback for the channel. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe, and go!